let's explain this question. This question is a question from general mathematics. As you can see right there, exercise 3B number 10. It says the notebook has 128 pages. That is the notebook, the number of pages there is 128 total. Then 88 of them have been used. 88 of them have been used. Then what fraction of the notebook remains? I talked about this when I was talking about the relationship between probability and fraction. If you check my video, you have it right there. Now let's go by what we are having right here on the board. The total page is equal to what? 128. This is the first thing you need to know. Then page used is equal to what? 88. Then to get what you are asked, first of all, we are going to look for what? Page that remains. Page that what? That remains. And I'm writing it right here on the board directly. That remains is equal to what? Total minus used. So what we are having is that we are talking about, by our explanation, we are saying that the page that remains is equal to total page minus what? The used what? Page. You will see the reason why we are talking about that, because we are dealing with fraction. Just the same way we have done probability. Just the same way. That's why in my video I made like a similarity with them. No. Now the question of interest here is what? The fraction that remains. And for us to be able to get the fraction that remains, we need to what? The page that what? Remains. So let's go by what we have. Then now page that remains is equal to what? Is equal to 128. Sorry, 128 minus what? 88. And that will give us what? 40. So I will know that we are causing 40 as the what? 40 is what? Is the page that remains. Then a fraction of page that remains. Fraction of page that remains. Fraction of pages that remains is equal to what? The page that remains over the what? Total. This is such the same trick everywhere. Anytime you are asked questions like this, the question of interest over what? Total. Question of interest over what? Total. The question of interest here was what? The fraction of what? Remains. So we are going to say the number that remains over what? The total. That's exactly what we are having right here. So which is now what? 40 over what? 128. Can you see that? So please take note of this. This question is a question that is repeated over time. Like it's just the same trick. It doesn't change. Just know that the question of interest, which is the example we are having here, the fraction that remains, which means that we're talking about the number of pages that remains over what? The total. Just like the way we talk about probability, when we say the required outcome over what? The possible outcome, the total of what we have there. So let's go. Fraction that remains, let's review the fraction now. The fraction now will not be what? Not be 1, that is 40 over what? 1, 2, 3. Let's review the fraction. 4 can go here 10 times. 4 can go into this one. 3, here we have 2. And we are still reducing the fraction. 2 here, 5, 2 here what?